Start again.
Something that I want to point out on this machine that is different than the other two machines we've done demonstrations on, we had collet systems over here. This machine actually has a chuck. So it's a 3-jaw chuck. Very important that the jaws are running concentric to the center line of the spindle of the machine. This is a Kitagawa chuck. It has serrations on the back side of the chuck jaws that match the master jaws of the machine. I can show you what those look like. These are, I believe, 7mm serrations. These serrations will actually go into the master jaws of the machine, and that's your adjustability for moving these in and out away from center line of the machine. So we can adjust these same chuck jaws for a small part and a large part. The added step to a setup is our jaws will need to be bored to the diameter of our workpiece. This is important, as when we bore it to the diameter of our workpiece, we get a proper chucking diameter on the stock. If we don't bore these properly, let's say our chucking diameter is much bigger than our part, we will get very little surface that we're actually touching and clamping on. Same thing if our chucking diameter is much smaller radius than our part. We'll get 2 points of contact on our chuck jaws. What we're after is a same radius as the radius of our stock, so that we get a full chucking diameter. That's when we have the most amount of strength holding our part. Guys, these CNC machines, they run really fast, they're very aggressive, we run high rates of speeds and feeds, much greater than what you've been used to down on the manuals. Very important that our chucking diameter and our setup is rigid and strong.